Alright guys, I just wanted to show you a couple things real quick. Look what we have here. It's my new windowed piston and a wrist pin. Got it earlier today and I've been soaking it in oil for about 6-7 hours now. But if you take a peek right there, that's its home. That's what's going in. Went ahead and poured this out, painted it. Look inside there, really nice, clean intake port. And if you notice, if it zooms in, there's a little bitty, if you can see, there it goes. How it channels down. It's got a little valley in it. That eliminates having to skirt your piston as much. And I didn't really want to touch it because it is a windowed piston. So I don't want the piston end of the skirt to break, so I just valleyed out the intake port just about a degree or two. But if you look down in there, we're all nice and shiny. Clean. I decked the top, as you can see here. It's nice and smooth. Transfer ports came out real clean. There's the exhaust port. So yeah, I'm not getting too bad at this. The other transfer port, you know, I'm brand new at it, so I'm hoping this is good enough. I'm just not over exceeding my boundaries, you know, my knowledge base, but I've been working on 4-strokes for about 27 years now, and kind of combining that knowledge into what I can do on 2-stroking. I even decked out this surface. Also the intake surface there, you can see where it's decked and flattened. I took a a flat sharpening stone, brand new in the box, and used it to file down the and I think it's at about 1,000 grit. Used it to file and hone that. See, it's pretty flat. If you can see that there or not, but it's pretty flat. And then of course the bottom of it. Transfer ports are really nice. I took these and right around here, chamfered that out a little bit, cleaned that up, which this cylinder wasn't in bad shape to begin with, but I always like to clean them up anyway. It's easier transition for the rings to go into the sleeve. But all this is going on that new Kent bike that I got, so I'm really excited. I got about, I don't know, 2 or 3 more hours for those rings to soak, and that piston wrist pin to soak, and the top of the piston. So then I'll go ahead and throw it together. And I've got that new G2 carburetor, the reed valve system going on this motor too as well. So that's going to be new. See what we can throw at it. But yeah, anyway guys, I just wanted to stop in and show you all that. Peace out.